What is up, accurate Forex traders? This is Munya, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a strategy that you can use on your currencies and you can apply it to get at least 30 pips per entry that you're going to make. So, this is an intraday strategy that you're going to be using if you want to succeed when trading currencies. Remember, this is our new channel where we are going to be talking about currencies specifically, and also some hand-picked indices. And by indices we mean the Nasdaq, the US 30, the Dow Jones. We're talking about the German 30, those kind of indices. So if you want to see more of those strategies here on this platform, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post those kind of videos. I've already posted the powerful Nasdaq strategy. You can go check it out as well as some other strategies that I started to post right here on this channel, which are very powerful. So please make sure you go watch them as well. Okay, before we start, I just want you guys to know that I'm currently running a promotion to reach 1K subscribers, and I'm adding people to the VIP currencies signals group for free. And all you have to do is to click the subscribe button, like this video, and send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to find that WhatsApp number in our Telegram channel. I've left the link in the description box below, where you can find my WhatsApp number. So join that link. It's completely free again to join, and you'll be able to find the number where you can send the screenshot for you to qualify for the promotion, right? So without wasting much time, I want us to look into this strategy. Right now we're looking at USD CAD in the 15-minute time frame. Unfortunately, it is the weekend, so the markets are off. So we're just going to be using what we have currently. So I'll be removing all the indicators that you see right here on this screen, and then we'll be doing the step-by-step process of installing the settings, and then we'll later on talk about when to buy and when to sell. I hope you guys are going to practice this on your demo account first before actually moving to a real account where you can start making money. Please, if you want to experience the same results as I am experiencing with these strategies, please make sure you use the same broker as us. So I've left a link of the broker that we are using. You can just click the link and it will take you straight to that broker, and you can sign up. They accept a deposit minimum of 10 US dollars. So that's very little, an investment that anyone can afford. So make sure you also fund that account. The advantages of using the same broker with us is because you have the same market condition, the same trading environment as me, as I would have tested these strategies. You also have the same type of spreads and commissions. Fortunately, this broker only charges you on spread. There are no commissions, which is very good because it gives our strategies some precision. And you also get the good support team that I have, that they do give out to their members. So make sure you're part of that broker. Okay, let me remove all these indicators, and then we can start installing them together. So right now, as you can see, this is a blank chart on USD CAD. The first indicator that we want to install is the RSI. So I'm going to go to main window, then look for the relative strength index, or famously known as the RSI, which is right here. And this RSI is going to have the following settings or properties. Basically, to have a period of 1, apply to close, and then the styling for this RSI, you can just pick any color of your choice, as long as your period is 1. If your period is not 1, please make sure you style it to the color of your background color. So if you have a white background, make sure it's white. If you have a black background, make sure it's black. And then you need only 2 levels. You need level 10 and level 90. Just like that, you click on done, and you should appear like this at first. So basically, it should just show use some levels. As you can see, there is level 90 and then level 10. And then after that, we're going to go back to our indicators. We're going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to add an indicator called the MACD. And this MACD is going to have the following properties. It is going to have a fast EMA of 13, a slow EMA of 26, a MACD SMA of 9, and then it should apply to close, and then there are no levels on this one. And then when styling this MACD, only the main should have a significant color or an visible color. So I chose the color green, and then the signal should have the same color of your background. So as you can see, it's white on mine because I have a white background. So only your main should be showing on your charts. And then we are going to click on done, and something like this should be showing on your screen if you're doing this the correct way, right? And then next, we want to install a moving average again. So I'm going to go back to indicators, then click where it says indicator window 1, then look for the moving average, and here it is. And this moving average is going to have the following properties. So it's going to have a period of 1 and a shift of 0. Also, it's going to have a method of simple and apply to close. And then the styling for this moving average is going to be blue. And as you can see, it is blue in color. And then you're going to click on done. So guys, please make sure you're writing these settings down, or you're taking screenshots so that you follow correctly how it's done. Last but not least, we want to install a moving average on our main chart. So this time we are going to click where it says main window, then we're going to go to moving average, then we're going to install a moving average that has a period of 10 this time. So on period, change to 10. On shift, make it 0 again. On method, this time we want it to be exponential, and then apply to close. And then the color for this one, I'll choose red. You have the option to increase the pixel sizes so that you can clearly see it on your charts. Remember, presentation is everything when you are trading. And then so I chose 4 pixels because that's the maximum, able to properly see my lines. And then I'll click on save, and then done. And then we have the strategy fully installed, right? We have the strategy fully installed. We have successfully installed our strategy. And now what's left is knowing when to buy and knowing when to sell, right? Just a reminder, if you want free currency signals, as we do our 1000 subscribers promotion, just subscribe to this channel, like this video, send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number. I said the WhatsApp number, you will only get it from my Telegram channel with the link in the description box below, right? And then I'll add you to that currency signals group where I share my trades with you guys. Okay, so when do you buy and when do you sell? First of all, we're going to be using the 15-minute time frame for this one. So right now we are in the 15-minute time frame, and we're going to be using the third smallest zoom level. So move to the smallest zoom level, move one step up, and then another step up, right? That's the zoom level that we want to use. Okay, and once that's done, the next thing that you need to look at is the conditions. So you can only enter a trade. Let me just highlight the conditions first. You can only enter a trade when these two conditions have been met. When these two conditions have been met, number one, you're going to be looking at your indicator window 1 at the bottom right there. You want your green bars and your blue line to touch level 90 for you to enter a sell. So for a sell, the blue and the green have to meet and touch at the level 90. That's the first condition. The second condition where you actually get your entry is on your main chart, and it's when candlestick cross to be below this red line that you see right there. And when candlesticks have crossed this red line, shows now we're in a downtrend, so you can easily enter into a sell trade, as you can see right there. So your entry will start from somewhere there and it will go all the way down, right? Let's look for another sell scenario right here. Our blue and green touch level 90. We also have candlesticks crossing to be below our red line, and we can see this downward movement happening from this point all the way down. Let's talk about when you can actually enter into a buy trade. There's so many opportunities. I just want to go back, and guys, please note that your charts should be very much close to the right side, right, for you to get accurate signals or accurate opportunities. Your charts should be right there to your right. Okay, so here there was a nice opportunity for a buy trade. It's basically the opposite, but the same thing. The blue and the green this time have to meet at level 10 like they did there, and then candlesticks this time have to cross to be above the red line, and as you can see there was an upward movement following. So you can use this strategy on all of the currencies that we have. Again, right here I'll just start putting a line where there was an entry. Right here there was an entry. Again, right here there was a sell opportunity. I can't keep marking all of them, so I'll just put a line just to show you. Right here there was a buy opportunity. So there are so many entries. Okay, remember I said your charts should be to your far right, because if you move them back, can you see that the charts move? So make sure they are close to your far right, and then this qualifies to be an entry, right? So there's so many opportunities that you can actually get while you're using this strategy. I hope you guys are going to practice this a lot on your demo accounts first before actually moving on to a real account. Until next time.